Hello Sunday friends. Can you see this? It's the end of the broccoli. They're always hanging around in the fridge. Here, some potato peelings, some old bread. We've all seen them. We've all put them in the bin, but this week I'm going to show you how to turn some of these food scraps into tasty food snacks. So we all want to know ways in which we can reduce our food waste. It's becoming a hot topic. I am very conscious of it in my house. I like to try and compost whatever I can, but I also understand that some of you out there might live in suburbia where that is just not a possibility. You might not have a scheme where you can drop it off. You might not have a garden you can dig it into. So I thought I'd show you some handy little hints and tricks on how to stop wasting things like this, which always end up in the fridge, saving your potato peels to make tasty snacks, and using up some old bread, which, let me get my phone. According to some sources, it says that bread is one of the most major contributors to food waste because millions of loaves and crusts get discarded every year and put in the bin. So let's stop that happening and make something delicious. And the best thing is, for all three of these, I'm going to be using my trusty air fryer. You can still use an appliance to help you make tasty food snacks. Also, side note, if you're watching this, I've got an air fryer book coming out. If you've not been on my channel before and you are new here, I have been a chef for a long time, but I love the air fryer. It's a great appliance, and I've made a whole cookbook full of like 30 plus recipes that are banging delicious. We've got fancy, we've got weeknight, we've got sweet little treats and amazing snacks, from like wings to dips to friggin' all sorts of things that you can imagine. So if you're interested in that, the link is in my description box down below. Get on the list. So without further ado, let's get into this. So firstly, I'm going to talk about things like this, peelings, skins, stuff like that. I'm sure you've all seen videos out there of what you can do, but this makes great stock. So if you haven't seen another video that I made on some food waste, I've added it just up here. It's about chicken bones, but this is of the same variety of that. You can just keep all of these scraps and everything and start accumulating them in a bag, put them in the freezer, and when you've got a full bag, you can make amazing homemade veg stock, which means you don't need to buy it, which means it will contain less salt, which means it will be better for you because you've made it yourself at home. I'm not going to be doing anything with these in the air fryer, but what I did think is that probably if you had lots of veggie strips like this from where you've peeled them, you could make some veggie crisps, which would be absolutely banging. Think like beetroot skins, parsnip skins, carrot skins, yum. But that's all we're going to talk about for this. This is purely a save for later scenario, but I thought I'd cover it anyway because it's always good to know. Okay, so first of the snacks, we have got potato skins. So these are great, right? Because you can make a great little crisp at home, and it can be like chef's treat while you're cooking. So what I like to do is, obviously there are times when you're peeling potatoes for a full dish, right? But you might not be eating that till later. So keep your skins, pop them in a bowl, and then we're going to lightly oil them, and we'll mix it all together. Salt, pepper, and then I'm going a little pinch of some curry powder, but this is up to you. Mix it all together, give the salt, pepper, seasoning, all a good rub. Done. I mean, how long did that take me? Not even a minute. And we've got snacks ready to go in the air fryer. So I'm going to put them in for about 10 minutes at 180. We're going to have a little look at them, see how they are. We might need to cook them a little bit longer. The only reason why you might is maybe if you've peeled them, they've got a lot of potato on the back of them, but otherwise they should be ready to go, and we'll have ourselves our first tasty little snack. And there you go. I mean, oh, it might not be much, but you know, this is a great little way to save them potato skins going in the bin. I mean, they're like little crisps, but you didn't have to pay for them from the packet. You had them anyway. So there is a great idea. Oh, to maybe give them little hungry hands that might be in the kitchen before dinner time a wee little snack. And again, you've made them, you know what's on them, and you can season them to your taste. So that's some little potato crisps that you made yourself with something that was going to go in the bin. Let's move on to the next one. Next up, the old culprit, the bread. Now, I can guarantee that in your house, you probably eat salad, you might have soups, you might eat curries, you might have something else, who knows what that might be. But for all of them, a great little topping, croutons. I mean, I know it sounds so silly, but don't put your scraps in the bin. You don't need to. You can make a tasty little crunchy snack to go on top of whatever you're making. This again is gonna take minutes. This is old bits of bread that were going in the bin. Now this is flatbread. So for this, I'm gonna use it to make little like crackers for dip. I mean, that is just like the easiest thing in the world. If it was crusts or a bit of stale bread, rip it up into croutons. Into the bowl, we're gonna season it up a little bit, wrap it in the air fryer. So break this into chunks because I'm gonna use it to dip. And you know, it's already gone a little bit hard and stuff like that. We're gonna make some great little crackers out of this. So again, I'm gonna give it a little spritz with some oil. I'm gonna give it a tiny little bit of extra salt. We're gonna coat every piece and we're going in the air fryer. But for this, we are gonna go a little bit lower, depending on what you're doing. For these, I'm gonna say 175 for about 15 minutes because we wanna dry it out a bit, right? We don't just wanna crisp it up, but we need to, I don't want any like chewy bits. I kind of want all crunch, right? But if this was squares of tiny bits of bread, a little bit different, depending on how big them ripped up pieces were. You might want to go 175 for 10 minutes. That would probably be long enough. Do you know what's great about this? Grate on some garlic if you're making croutons to go on top of your soup or your salad. I mean, you could toss them in some cheese, whatever it may be. It's just so simple and it stops it from going in the bin. So let's get these in and I'll show you what I mean. Just make sure though, if you're ever putting anything in the air fryer, you want an even layer all across the bottom. And there you go, another great way to use up your bread. Turn it into these beautiful little crisp breads. They're crunchy and a great snack. Yeah. I mean, look at that, so cute. It's like a little homemade cracker. You've made it yourself. I've got some, this, by the way, is Cheats Romesco. It's in my new book, Will It Air Fry? The link is in the description box down below. But these are a great little snack to have with some of this dip. I mean, from something that you may well have just got rid of because it was going a bit stale. So next time, let it go stale and you'll have yourself some lovely little crackers. Yum. Okay, let's move on to that third and final, the pesky broccoli stalk. Now, these guys, everyone buys broccoli and these guys here are absolutely delicious. Do not put them in the bin. They're full of all the good stuff and I love to eat them. But you can make them into a nice little snack, but if you didn't want to make them into a snack, just add them to the pasta when you're cooking it, when it's got maybe a few minutes left to go. Chop this stuff up into chunks, add it into the base. Put it in the base of your bolognese. I mean, whatever, just don't put it in the bin. This guy is so good. Chop off the sides. And that's it. That is all you're going to be throwing away from your broccoli. Very minimal. All of a sudden, we've reduced this to this. So I think that's pretty good on the saving, on the food waste. And then we're just going to make these into like little fries. So cut them into your fries. And voila, sticks of broccoli. Now, you can even just eat these raw, absolutely delicious. But again, we can fancy, oh my God. But again, we can fancy this up, and you know what then? It's great for either a snack or on top of a salad. I mean, there's just so many things that go in the bin, just don't put them in there, we don't need to do it. if you ever came to my household, you will see that I'm all about not putting things in the bin. I hate throwing stuff away. I think, God, we've paid money. You've paid money to buy that. Don't put it in the bin. Don't let it go rotten. Don't overbuy. Don't, they're all the things you don't need to do. You can just make lots of tasty little treats to go on other stuff with the bits that you think you might chuck anyway. So these guys, a little bit of salt and pepper, little spritz of oil. Not a lot, just something so that it's all coated on the outside. So that the salt and pepper sticks. Also, great, if you've got a floppy courgette, do this with it. If you've got a floppy carrot, you could even do this with it. I mean, yum. So you can do one of two things. You can, even if you wanted to, now that they are slightly greased, roll them in some panko breadcrumbs. So then you get these, in fact, that's what we're gonna do. I was gonna do something different and I've just absolutely talked myself out of it because I think that will be delicious. So 1 second, I'm gonna get the breadcrumbs. Okay, I got a few breadcrumbs. I'm just gonna shake them on top. We're gonna roll them around in it. Like I said, wasn't the plan, but I thought, God, this is gonna be yum. There we go. They have all got a little bit of crumb on the outside. This is also the thing about cooking, right? Just kind of go with whatever feels good. Like I said, this wasn't the plan for these, but I thought they'll be absolutely delicious. You can always just kind of work with what you've got. So now I'm just gonna sit them in the bottom of the air fryer. I mean, obviously if you had paneed these, so if you'd done egg, flour into the breadcrumbs would stick better. But the purpose of these breadcrumbs is so that we get a little bit of crunch on the outside of these broccoli sticks. It is not so that they're fully coated. In they go, into the air fryer. We're going at 190 for 5 mins. I'll see you in a sec. So here we are, a few minutes later. And look, little chippies from the bottom of your broccoli. I mean, okay, not the most exciting, but look at them. We've got yet another little great food snack. We've got our little crisps, our little homemade crackers, all served up with a little dip. These little broccoli fries, I mean, they're delicious. We all know broccoli is my favourite vegetable, and if you're looking for something to do with broccoli, here is a video to 5 great ways to use it. But look, in all seriousness, this might not be the most exciting plate of food snacks, but it doesn't matter. It's stuff that otherwise would have gone into the bin, and you've essentially here made a little snack plate for free, right? This is all stuff that would have gone into the rubbish. I'm not here to preach, but I just think we can all be a little bit more conscious about things that maybe go in the bin. If someone came round and actually you just whacked out this, they'd still be so grateful, little crispy crisps, little lovely crackers, and I'm just showing you what you can do. These things are so versatile. I mean, like these crackers, you could really lather on some lovely olive oil, sprinkle with za'atar, make really fancy from something that was going in the bin. These, you could cover in salt and vinegar. I mean, you could have yourself some salt and vinegar little crisps. And these guys, you could save up all your stems, pane them, put them in the air fryer. This is all just to show you that what you think can go in the bin actually ends up being tasty snacks. That's all we've got time for this week. We'll be back with some more recipes soon. I love you all, and I'll see you later. Have a good one.